Hey, it's Delicia. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a couple of DIY Christmas tree ornaments that I'm sure you'll love. The main character ornament is this beautiful amber glass inspired Christmas tree ornament. I originally wanted to purchase something similar from Amazon, and within days they were all sold out, but no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I decided to DIY them. Now, after doing my research, I found that Drew here on YouTube on his channel Lone Fox actually did something very similar last year. So that helped me out a little bit. Now, our techniques are a little bit different, and I think we even use different colors, but the end result, they almost look identical. So I want to show you how I did mine. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a clear ornament just like this. It can be glass or plastic. You can pick them up from Hobby Lobby like I did, Michael's, Dollar Tree, Amazon, and even if you caught my Walmart Christmas decor shop with me, I pointed some out to you there as well. Now, where the magic happens is in this little bitty bottle right here called alcohol ink. I picked my alcohol ink up at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure you can get them at any craft store as well. I picked mine up in the color brown, but they have so many different colors so that your creativity can go wild. So let's get started. I wish I had a perfect formula for you as to how many drops of the alcohol ink to apply inside of the ornament, but a lot comes into play with this. What size is your ornament? This one is a medium-sized ornament, but even though when you first apply a few drops you may think that it's dry, but it really isn't dry. Looking at it up close, as you see the little beads there, or the little dots, those are beads of ink that is actually running down. So what I do, I give it some time to run, and then I'll apply a few more drops. And so it does take a lot of time and patience to do this. This shaking technique does not work for me. I've heard that it works for other people. I just sort of wanted to show you that that's an option, maybe for the smaller ornaments, but it didn't work for this size for me. In addition, once you let the ink settle at the bottom, just let it sit. Maybe you can watch your favorite videos like your Delicia at home videos. You see how the ink has settled at the bottom. For me, this allows so much more of the product to run on the side of the ornament that I want it to. Once I get it to that point, I usually like to use a blow dryer to dry it. As you can see close up here, some of the streams of the ink is running down, and once I get it to sort of what I want it to look like, which when you use the blow dryer, it's not going to look like this. It's going to look more like a amber glass ornament, as I'm about to show you right here. Isn't that beautiful? So I just play with one side and then the other side. You do have to have patience, but patience is a virtue. And I really do love how my ornaments turned out. Now, if you want to take your ornament to the next level and make it look more antique, which is what I wanted to do, I highly, highly recommend Rub and Buff for your caps. I couldn't find my Rub and Buff anywhere. I have 2 tubes in this house that I cannot find, and I'm not buying anymore. So I opted to spray paint my caps until I can find my Rub and Buff. But as soon as I find that, you better believe I'm going to go ahead and apply that. The next ornament is a dried floral ornament, and basically I just take little snippets of my dried florals from the fall and I insert it into these glass ornaments. So simple, easy peasy, and it comes out looking so beautiful. I absolutely love how this turned out. Friends, if you found anything from this video interesting or helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the other Christmas content that I have coming your way this year. You can do that right now by clicking on my face here on the screen. Don't forget to click the notifications to all so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Until next time, thank you all for watching. See you real soon. Bye.